Okay, in our next part of introduction, we will see how to load the data in our Power BI interface. So already we have opened our Power BI app. Then we have to download few sample data. Go to Google Chrome, then click on download free data for Power BI. So sample data, download Excel data for Power BI, the financial sample data, download it directly, financial sample, it will be downloaded, then click on get data option. From get data we have to choose Excel workbook. Then from download option we have to click financial sample, click on open. The data will be imported into our Power BI interface. Now we have to click on financial, we have to check financial, then load. The data will be loaded from Excel sheet to Power BI dashboard. Now there are three views in Power BI. First one is report view, second one table view, third one is model view. We can see the data in the table view. Here are the few options. The data are present. So we want to go to the report view option. Then we are clicking on any one of the chart, like we are taking one chart like say donut chart. We are taking, we have to drag it into the proper shape. We have to take few field. So here are the field. So in data field we have to take product. Now we have to click the sale price field. So see, this is the donut chart of product and sale price. Now we are taking another chart like one funnel chart. In the funnel chart also we are taking funnel chart. Here is the funnel chart we are taking. In the funnel chart we are taking the product as well as the profit. Here is the product versus profit funnel chart. Now we want to see the data as per the slicer. So now we have to click on slicer, and now we have to choose the funnel chart in a proper shape. Then we are clicking on the blank portion of our dashboard. Here we have to take the slicer option. The slicer will be based on the country. We are checking on country. If we want to take Canada, the Canada's details will be given on the dashboard. If we choose France, France details will be given on the dashboard. If we choose Germany, Germany's details will be coming on the dashboard. If we choose Mexico, Mexico details will be coming, and same like that, United States details will be coming on the dashboard. This is the practical session how to create dashboard in a brief overview. Thank you and thanks for watching my video.